All right. Hi, Hiab. How you doing today?
Good?
All right. So we're gonna be doing a little science experiment today. Have you ever heard that word before? Are you familiar with the word experiment?
Yes.
What does that mean?
It means you're doing something with science.
Okay, yep, we're doing something with science. Okay. So our learning goals today are going to be observe and describe how soap is going to interact with other liquids in food coloring. Okay? With liquids and food coloring, okay?
Yes.
We're going to understand that mixing different substances can cause change, and we're going to make predictions about what substances are mixed, and we're going to use some vocabulary for that. Our vocabulary we're going to use for our observations are the word mix, the word change, and the word liquid. So, do you know what the word mix means?
Mix means you mix.
Okay, what about change?
Change means you change. Like change your clothes.
Okay, right, like stuff changes, it looks different, right? Okay. And what about liquid? What's liquid mean?
Liquid means like water, milk, apple juice.
Okay, awesome job. All right. So, when soap is added to milk, what do you think? First, when dish soap is added to milk, what do you think would happen? If we added food coloring and then we added in the dish soap, what do you think would happen to this half a cup of milk we poured?
I think it will change color.
You think it'll change colors? The milk will change colors? Okay. Well, we're going to find out here. So our materials are, we have our milk here. We have our dish soap right here, a Q-tip, and our food coloring. So we're going to get our Q-tip into the soap. And we're going to open the caps of our 3 different food colorings. We have green, blue, and red. So we're going to do the red one first. We're going to put that right there. And we're going to try to do our best to put the colors right on top of each other. Okay? Just like that. All right. Now,
Oh my god!
we're going to put this in here. Oh, that was cool. So what happened to the milk when I put the soap in there?
It went to the sides.
All the food coloring went to the sides. Now, what happens if I swirl this around here? Do you see anything? What does the milk look like now?
It looks like green milk.
Green milk? Do you see anything else in the green milk? Is it all the way green or is it a little green? Like
It's little green. I see some red.
you see some red
Yeah.
kind of stripes, kind of streaks or swirls? All right. So, do you think if we did that same thing to water, that would happen too?
Yes.
Yes, let's find out. We're going to put a half a cup of water in here. All right. So, we're going to take our water and see, will that exact same thing happen if we put our food coloring in there and mixed it with dish soap? Okay, so far, does this look the same as our milk? Let's see. Does it look the same?
No.
No, what does it look like?
It looks like rainbow.
Like a rainbow, kind of? What about when I swirl it? So what's different between in the water and in the milk? What's something you notice that's different?
I noticed they're pink
Mm-hmm.
and
The water turned pink. Okay, what about when I first put the soap in? So think back. Can you think back to when I first put the Q-tip in with the milk? What happened to the food coloring? What did it do? Do you remember when you said, wow?
it went to the side.
It went to the sides. Did the food coloring go to the sides on this one? In water? No, so that's definitely a difference that we see. So you know what that tells us?
What?
That food coloring, when you mix it with dish soap, it acts differently in different liquids. So different liquids are going to cause a different, what we call reaction to that. Have you ever heard that word before, reaction?
I heard someone said it, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, that's where something happens and then something happens afterwards. So we had two different results here. Thank you, Hiab. Awesome job.
Yay.